Oh, we've got a stunning Chevelle here today, a 1970 SS396 factory tuxedo black with the white stripes. Very desirable combination on a Chevelle or a Camaro for that matter. Completely detailed, top to bottom, beautifully restored, 4-speed transmission. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 beautiful collector cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. If you want to go directly to this car, scan the QR code. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. What a paint job. I just went around it with my microfiber rag and it's beautiful. So the stripes are painted on real nicely. The gaps are right on the money up here by the headlight bezel. This hood is absolutely square, straight, flush. The side of the car is absolutely straight. This is phenomenal. It's like a mirror. All the gaps are right on the money. The jambs are nice and shiny. Shuts like a new car. The rockers, bottom of the fenders, bottom of the quarters, all nice and clean. The molding fits right up to the body the way it's supposed to. Laser beam straight. This is a mirror. All this is straight, clean, beautiful, painted on white stripes. All looking really nice, really sharp. Very desirable factory tuxedo black. I think it's code
19.
on the tag. Yeah, but look at that reflection. It's a mirror. All this fits the body real nice. The line is nice and clean. The gaps are right on. Jambs look good. Both doors shut real nicely. All looking really nice, slick. Beautiful black with the white. On the other side, there's a little scratch touched up. And on the very edge of this, it's a little, that's from the hood. You gotta be real careful. Open the hood perfectly straight because they're so close right there. This headlight bezel fits real nice too. It's a problem area on these Chevelles, and this one fits nice on both sides. T3 original correct headlamps. The grill, all that's in real nice shape. The bumper looks like an 8 out of 10, nice and shiny and straight. The moldings look like they've all been replaced, and the emblems and the mirrors. Looks like all the glass was replaced. The window, the windshield, the side windows, back window. New vinyl top. Door handles are an 8 out of 10, real nice. The wheels are restored. And you see they're wearing reproduction wide oval Firestone tires. Again, look at that reflection. Back here, the bumper also an 8 out of 10. Got the rubber pad. It's got the cowbell exhaust tips. The tail lights look to be in really nice shape. So it's a beautiful car to look at. Gorgeous. Let's open it up. I'll show you a detailed motor and interior. All right, I'll show you a nice, clean, and complete trunk. So the latch looks fresh. It's all painted nice, has the stickers. The jamb is painted real nice. The weather strip is replaced. Inside's all clean metal with the spatter finish. And look at this, has a matching SS wheel with a Firestone tire. It looks like the jack assembly's all new, even the lug wrench is there. So all clean and complete. This is what it would have looked like if you were at the dealer buying it in 1970. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click the bell icon so you're notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, the jambs are nice. The weather strips are replaced. Reproduction interior, so the door panels, armrests, window cranks, that all looks real sharp. The instrument panel, dash pad, all this is nice and clean. There's a Pioneer cassette radio. The heater control panel looks like that was probably replaced as well. And the vents were replaced. Light works in the glove box. Kick panels and knobs are real nice. Carpet's fresh and fits nice. Has reproduction mats. Has a real nice reproduction console with the Hurst 4-speed. NCRS shipping data report. And inside here we do have a few pictures and when there was a part being restored. The seats feel real good. I believe they put new cushions in here. It does have the correct seat belts, all reupholstered. Headrests look like they've been replaced. Back of the seat, all that's real nice. And same thing back here. The seat belts, the upholstery, the side panels, the armrest, all looking really good. Has the rear mesh shelf, the trim around the inside of the rear windows, all looks real nice. Headliner's been replaced. Got the shoulder belts, got working light, got matching visors. Good original mirrors, a little cloudiness right there. Now it's a deluxe steering wheel and it's on a tilt column. So very nice interior as well. Now let's go check out the engine. This is a period correct Chevelle 396 motor. You can see it's all detailed and runs beautifully. It has the proper valve covers and air cleaner and gas line and hose clamps, all the brackets and stickers, the whole shot. Exhaust manifolds have been refinished. I mean, even the dipstick, everything about it's all nice and clean. As the ribbed hose, heater hose. Look at the firewall and all the metal surfaces, all clean and smooth. Up front here too, all nice, clean, smooth metal, new horns, the right shroud. Upper hose is GM, the lower hose is GM. And we got power steering, power brakes with a cadmium plated booster, new wiper motor. The squirters are hooked up. Under the hood, all glossy, has the hood insulation. And the cowl tag is over there. Should be a picture of that on our website. Again, it is paint code
19.
It is Tuxedo Black. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Really nice Chevelle here. $396 sounds great. Started it up after several days of sitting in our showroom. Cranked right up effortlessly. Little tap on the key, little tap on the gas. Super easy power steer. Four-speed manual. Very easy clutch on here too. Not heavy at all. We do have the heater on, that is working. And once again, we're on our private test track where we have plowed but not salted. Give her a little push up here. Oh yeah. No shortage of power. Really nice running car. Someone's going to be super happy with it. But yeah, weather permitting, you're more than welcome to come test drive it for yourself. We recommend you do. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it looks like a body off frame restoration. Everything underneath is completely fresh and detailed. And I do need to correct myself. Twice I said it's paint code A. It's paint code 19, which is Tuxedo Black. So it is a factory Tuxedo Black. I was just given the wrong code. So all the front suspension you've seen in the picture, that was all out and apart. It was detailed, rebuilt. It is the F41 suspension that comes on the Super Sport. Front and rear sway bars, boxed rear control arms. So everything under there looks new. The shocks, the springs, the bushings. Nice fat exhaust system. I'm going to guess it might be a 3-inch exhaust. Has stainless polished mufflers, and again, the SS tips going out the back. Fuel system looks new, the tank, the lines, the sending unit. Brake system all looks new, the lines. Has disc brakes in front, drum and back. E-brake assembly is all working. You look up at the motor, it's clean, it's all stock, Chevy orange, correct starter. It's a proper Muncie 4-speed that's in there. Drive shaft's rebuilt, goes back to the original 331 gears and a 12-bolt rear end, and the codes that are on there say it is for a super sport. It's the correct rear end, the original rear end to this car, and best we can tell, that's only used on the 396 motor. So there you have it. Gorgeous Tuxedo Black. Don't take that lightly. That's a big deal. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get your Tuxedo Black or Skunk Chevelle delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.